We are doing a workout today that you can easily do anytime you travel. Let's get started. So today we are doing a full body Pilates based workout that can easily be done when you're traveling. That means no equipment needed, very little space needed. And we're gonna focus on things like digestion and movement and circulation and things that just feel really good anytime you're traveling. So we're gonna start standing. So you're gonna find yourself at the back of your mat. And I do this workout anytime I travel, which means sometimes I don't even have a mat with me. I just do it on the carpet or on a towel. So just wherever you have space, okay? So feet are hip distance apart. Inhale. And we're gonna exhale, tuck our chin, and roll down. Inhale at the bottom, bend your knees if you need to. And then exhale, roll back up. And we're gonna do a few just like that to start. So you inhale at the top. Maybe inhale, reach your arms up. That feels good to stretch. And then exhale, arms down, tuck your chin and roll. So you'll probably notice I'm here outside in Hawaii. We spend a lot of time here, so we travel here quite a bit. And I find when I travel, the best thing I can do for my body is to move, to simply have a regular movement practice. It helps me to keep regular digestion. It helps me with stress. It helps with circulation and with energy. This time when we traveled, I had 2 days of major headaches for whatever reason. Movement helped with that. So I find what I do though is I give myself a break on any big rules. I don't try to build a lot of strength. I don't worry about whether I'm lifting weights and all that stuff because it's not always easy when you travel to do that. I just make sure I'm moving. I play with my kids. I go on walks. I swim. And then this routine that I'm giving you today is one I do almost every single day when I'm traveling. Okay, last one. Arms down. Tuck your chin. Roll down. Inhale at the bottom. And exhale. We're gonna walk out, okay? So find this down dog position, and if this isn't happy for you, just come right onto hands and knees, okay, instead. So either one is fine. Take an inhale here. Exhale, walk your hands back, and then roll back up. And we're gonna do that one more time. So you'll see we're just kind of flowing to kind of get that full body stretch. We're stretching our calves, our backs, our necks. So walk it out, and your choice if you need to come down to your knees, feel free. And I'm gonna walk it out here. And then just shake your head and let it release. And if you're on hands and knees, just rock yourself back like this, okay? So either one, you're just letting that head relax. Shoulders drop down your back. And then press both heels down. Nice. And then we'll all come down onto hands and knees. So from here, I want you to round your spine and then arch. And then come halfway in between those two. And bring the right leg back behind you. And you're gonna lift and lower. So when I travel, I do quite a bit on hands and knees like this because it's a great full body position. You're working your arms, you're working your abs and your core, and you're getting a lot of glutes, so a lot of the back body. Really important when you're doing, like for me, when I come to Hawaii, we do a lot of beach walking, which is great, but it's a different surface. I'm not always used to it. So I come back to something like this, which helps keep my SI and my low back nice and strong and happy. Last two. One, nice job, bring it back in. Switch sides. And without having access to weights, it's really nice to do some work putting your weight through your arms. So using your body weight to get some resistance to keep your muscles strong when you don't have access to weights. Last two. Nice job. Bring it back in. Separate your legs just a little bit. Keep the right hand where it is. Left hand is going to reach up and open that up. Then bring the hand behind the head. Okay? Then bring it down. So you're going to twist down and open up. And twist. Face the ground. Maybe even face your right elbow. And then open. One more. The purpose of this is a lot of twisting and stretching in your upper spine. Nice job. Now reach the arm up again. Bring it back down. We're going to do the other side, and I'm going to turn so you can see me. So I'm going to bring my right arm up, open that chest up, then bring the hand behind the head. And then we're going to twist down, and then open, open, open. Nice job. Inhale. And exhale. So this helps if you've been in a car for a long time, that road trip or a long flight, really opening up that spine. Stay here, reach the arm up, bring it back down. Nice job. Separate your knees as wide as your mat and sink back into those hips, really deep into the hips. And then restack to come to sitting and bring the legs out in front of you. So our legs are going to be straight. So we're going to work into hips and a little more in that upper spine, okay? So sitting up nice and tall, hands behind your head. Inhale to the right, exhale center, inhale left, exhale center. So we've got lots of good hip mobility actually in this position, as well as that upper spine again. And one of the reasons this twisting is so important is for that digestion we mentioned, because as you probably know, our digestion can get a little finicky when we travel. So this will help to keep you from getting constipated, actually, if you can keep yourself moving. It'll keep things regular, which always feels good when you travel or not. Last one. Nice job. I wish you could see there's two little geckos playing right next to me here on the rocks. Zip your legs together. Inhale. Exhale. Roll yourself down just halfway. Inhale, pause. Exhale up over your legs, and I want you to really go as deep as you can in that flexion and then restack. Okay? So we're going to exhale and go back just halfway or just as far as you can control it. And then you come up and you deep, 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 because we want to try to squeeze as much as we can here. Again, that's for digestion and compression. And if that's not doable for you, you're going to come right here. Hold on to your legs and you can roll back halfway. This is a great option, okay? And then you just come up and restack. And it doesn't matter how big the motion is, all right? All that matters is that you are getting as deep as you can in your body, so that you're kind of massaging your organs almost. That's one of the purposes Joseph Pilates had. He even had a motion called stomach massage, and that was just about compressing and moving the organs and helping with the digestion and circulation. Okay, last one. And then I'm going to add one more piece to it, and it's your choice. So if this doesn't work for you, you're just going to do a few more of what I just showed you. Otherwise, roll down, stay here, lift the right leg, lower, left leg, lower. So getting a little more into abdominals here, still trying to drop the shoulders down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, listen up, we're gonna roll down, but just to shoulder blades. Pull the right leg in, left leg hovers, and switch legs. Switch. Squeeze, squeeze, and reach, squeeze. So it happens in opposite kind of energies. Squeeze, reach. So you're squeezing one leg, reaching the other. And you can do this flat. If it bothers your neck, just lay down flat. I'll always try to give you options. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull both knees in, roll back down. Feet flat. Inhale, exhale, curl your tailbone. Let's get a little more into the glutes and the back. Inhale at the top, exhale, roll down. So you can see how even this short routine, it's kind of full body, nice way that you know you're doing something good for yourself when you travel, even if it's just 10 minutes. Because sometimes travel is the time to just enjoy ourselves. It's a true vacation. You don't want to worry about movement, but you want to feel good, so you can do something like this every day. Sometimes travel isn't vacation. And it really can cause more stress. Either it's something for work or even just something stressful that came up, or activities. So movement can be used to actually kind of just do something for yourself and energize you, calm your body and your mind. That's the great thing about it, is you can use it for whatever you need. Okay, stay here. Inhale, arms back. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, exhale. 4 more. Roll down anytime you need to. 3, 2. Last one. Leave it back and then roll down. Hug the right knee in, left leg reaches out, and again, really big squeeze, just as much as you can. You can bring it to the side if you need to. Keep your left hand on the leg, bring it to the left. You're gonna look to the right for a twist. And then back to center. Switch sides, so squeeze first. I think that's just the piece that isn't always taught. Sometimes that compression is the most important part for our joints. And then twist across. So leg goes to the right, look to the left. And then back to center. Hug both knees in. And great job. I hope you have a great trip wherever it may be, and I'll see you on your mat soon.